Welcome back. Now look at other political events in the state.
Leader of Opposition Manohar Parrikar released manifesto of Murgaon BJP candidate Milind Naik. He says there is a need to change the government before it is too late. Meanwhile, MGP member Sanjay Satardekar joined BJP.
भारतीय जनता पक्षाचे सरकार जाय पण म्हाका अशें स्वताक दिसता की भाजपाचे सरकार मुख्य कारण येवपाक जर जाय जाल्यार ते आयले ना जाल्यार जस्ट इमॅजिन गोंयचें कितें जातलें तें कुडके कुडके करून खातले आनी आमकां सगळ्यांक भिकेक लायतले. आमकां भिकेक लावच्या पयलीं हांकांच भिकेक लावया.
Meanwhile, some of the supporters of Jose Philip D'Souza joined BJP along with the councillor of Murgaon, Fayola Rego. They have backed BJP's Vasco candidate Carlos Almeida.
त्यांच्या वरान डेली त्याच्या भावाच्या बहिणीच्या बायलेच्या वरान डेली लेबर सप्लाय जाता आमकां लेबर ना आनी हेच कारणाक लागून सदांच म्हणटाले आमी जॉईन जावया ग्रुपाक जॉईन जावया युनिटी करुया आनी जे आमकां ऑपोजिशनाक लागून पळय लेबर मेळना ते लेबर तरी मेळटले पूण ना. तेजे उपरांत डेव्हलपमेंटाचे प्रॉब्लेम येयले. डेव्हलपमेंटाक आमी जायते प्रोजेक्ट्स घातले. आयज पासून म्हाजे नांवान जे हांवें प्रोजेक्ट जाले एकूय पास जावन येवंक ना.
In a corner meeting held in Dhargal, Babu Asgaonkar has assured to solve the pending Munkarial cases in his constituency.
जो केसेस चलतात मुनकराच्यो हे चडान चड बेगीन त्याचे डिसिजन दिवपा खातीर तशेंच कमलदासच्या जाग्यार जे जे कोण रावतात तेंचो हक्क दिवपा खातीर म्हाजो प्रयत्न आसतलो आनी तो आमी फुडें व्हरतले.
Independent candidate Subhash Kerkar has promised to solve various issues in Pedne constituency. He feels that the assembly constituency reservation should be by rotation.
रिझर्व जो आसा तो फिरतो दवरचो जेणे करून सगळ्यांक आपल्याक म्हणजे एखादे राजकारण करपाची संधी मेळूंक शकता.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Some of the residents of Porvorim have condemned the statement of United Porvorkar Association, stating Rohan County as an outsider. They have also expressed their support to Rohan County.
Some residents of Porvorim have supported Rohan County. They condemned the United Porvorkar Association that has extended their support to BJP for assembly election. They are annoyed by the United Porvorkar's remark calling Rohan County as an outsider.
People have said he is bylaw. I don't think so. He is bylaw. He is very much with us. He is one of us. In fact, as a common man, he has done all this for us without being an MLA.
त्यांच्यानी सांगला की 3 पंचायतींसून 21 पंचायत मेंबर्स तेंचेकडे आसा. हांव जेन्ना ते प्रिंट पळयतालो तेन्ना म्हाका काय ते दिश्टी पडना 21 जण कोण पंचायत मेंबर आहात पळय ते अवघे 5 काय 6 जण दिश्टी पडलेले.
Our senior reporter Rakesh Khandolkar with video journalist Anil Sandhi.
Log on to www.prudentmedia.in if you have missed our bulletin. You can also follow us on Twitter by following us at Prudent Goa to get the latest news as and when they happen. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Bye-bye.